Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see 4 important security settings you need to enable right now on your Android phone device. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on settings right here. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to security. Let's go to take you right here. First thing for, we have Google Play Protect. So click on that. Under Google Play Protect, what you need to do here is to simply click on settings right here. Click on setting icon and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this setting. That's simple as that. You can simply go back to your Play Store. So by turn on this particular protect setting, it allows Google to scan every app you download and install on your Android phone. Okay, so what you need to do right here is to simply click on refresh and allow it to scan completely. So it's that simple. Make sure you turn on this particular settings right here, which is much more important to protect you from any harmful or dangerous app you want to install or that you have installed on your Android phone. And if you have any dangerous app right here, you will be told right here, and what you need to do is to simply click on uninstall and your account will be more secure. It's that simple. Let's take a look at the second one I want to show you on how to simply protect your Android phone with this important setting. So go back to your security sections right here. Now, right here, we have Find My Place. So click on Find My Place, which is turn off. What you need to do right here is to simply click on here to turn it on. So I'm going to simply click on that and allow it to scan, and it has fully scanned. Then right here, you have Find My Device apps, and at the same time, you have Find My Device on the web. So you can use any of these two options here to track your phone if your phone gets lost or you misplace your phone. So make sure this particular button here is also enabled. It's that simple. So let's take a look at the very third one that you need to enable right now on your Android phone. So the very third one you need to enable right now on your Android phone is your screen lock. So I'm going to simply click on my screen lock right here. Right here, you need to make sure you set the screen lock on your Android phone. This prevents you from anyone having access to your phone without your permission. So there are so many ways you can protect your phone with screen lock. So one of the first way here is to swipe. One of the second way here is pattern. And the third way here is PIN. And the fourth way here is password. You can choose any of the options right here to protect your screen. So I'm going to simply choose pattern right here. Then it's take me right. So what we need to do is to simply draw a pattern. Then having drawn a pattern, what you need to do is to click on next. Then draw a pattern again to confirm. Then click on confirm. And the lock will be shown. How do you want the lock screen to display? Show all notification content. Show sensitive content only when unlocked. Don't show notification at all. So I'm going to put it in show all notification content and hit on done. So right here, you'll be asked to set a security question. My favorite color. So you can click on here and choose any of the questions right here. So I'm going to simply choose my favorite food. Then put your answer right here. So just make sure that you put in something you will always remember. Then come to this question 2. My favorite color, put your answer right here. So having set on that, what you need to do is to simply click on done. And patterns has been fully set into this particular account. That's simple. Lastly, what we need to do here is to make sure we always check on our security update. What we need to do here is to simply click on security update, and it's going to load up like so. Then simply click on check for updates. So as you can see right here, Android version 10, February 2023 update, and that's the last time I checked. So what you need to do here is to simply click on check for update. So always check for your security update at every time by time. So with that, that's simple as that. So basically, these are 4 best ways to protect your Android device security setting. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.